AI automation for real estate lead generation. I like this. Okay, cool. Let me show you guys how I would build this um, in the next 30 minutes. Cool. First things first, let's say I don't know anything about real estate. Um, let's see, AI automation or marketing for real estate lead gen. I want to go to category architect. I want to say, I want to go after real estate agents. Okay, cool. Perfect. Top producing agents, new to business, I guess a mid tier. And for everything else, I essentially want you to assume. Okay, so market psychologist snapshot, what they've tried before, bulk lead gen services, follow-up automation scripts, why they're skeptical. Most tools promise more appointments but deliver more admin. They've burned money on solutions that add steps instead of removing them. Secret desire, so they want to spend their time on high value activities, negotiations, showings, client relationships, while the system run itself. Emotional trigger, frustration of always being on, late night phone calls, missed follow-ups. Okay, the old game is the old promise that they had before is feed the funnel with endless leads and use CRM to stay organized. Tactics is paid lead farms, manual drip email sequences, spreadsheet based pipelines, one size fits all automation tools. Flawed belief, if I just get more leads and log them, I'll close more deals. Okay. The real constraint, manual execution. Agents can only personally manage 15 to 20 active conversation at a time. Every additional lead requires linear human effort, calls, follow-ups, data entry. This creates a hard ceiling on listings regardless of how many leads they acquire. Why it's painful. Leads slip through the cracks. Okay, so that's good. The new game should be an AI-powered deal flow operating system, kind of like an operating system that essentially automates every repeatable step of the sales pipeline: lead capture, qualification, nurturing, appointment setting, and paperwork through AI agents and no-code workflows. Okay, I like that. Monetization, margin boost, reduce admin. Okay, cool. Deal flow OS, agent automation, closing relay OS. Okay, I like that name. Next, create an enemy. Yep, please create an enemy. So this essentially gives you something that you can essentially call out, because when you're trying to sell someone, you essentially need to call out and remove their failure from them, right? You need to almost like empower them by saying, hey, it's not your fault. It's actually the fact that you've been sold this idea that all you need is unlimited leads and fancy CRM, which equals unlimited closings, but that's not the case. What it actually created, and then I want to go next. Truth bombs. All this is going to essentially be useful for when I create the offer and the marketing assets. Truth bombs, why it matters. It's essentially our mic drop moments that shatter the market's autopilot thinking. Each one shows why the old model fails, ties the failure to lost revenue, and makes the deal flow OS feel inevitable, right? Um, Sacred assumption, more leads equals more sales. Boom, 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 boom. You guys can check this out. Leads are a symptom, not a solution. Your CRM is a to-do list, not a deal engine. Hiring assistants scales cost, not margin. The more leads myth creates a false scarcity of time. Automation isn't a tool, it's a new business model. Okay. The reason why going through this and actually taking time to read it is so important is because if you don't take this information in, you're not going to be able to sell a stranger. You need to understand them better than they understand themselves. Okay. So tangible new model, why this matters: a concrete visual framework turns an abstract promise into a sellable asset. When prospect can see from stage 1 to stage 2 to stage 3, they instantly understand how the new game works, trust its feasibility, and are ready to buy. Okay, say less. So this is kind of like how the system will look like. AI driven, so capture and qualify, AI driven chat, voice bot, Facebook ads. So it essentially tells you everything you need. Nurture and book, paperwork, close and referral. Okay, perfect. Cool. Let's go back to here. Right. Put it in one doc for me to put it, summarize it. Yes, give me the category OS positioning artifact. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste this. Okay, 1 second. I'm trying to see stage 2, identify, identity and buyer targeting. this artifact. Okay. Okay. I'm going to copy paste to this. Okay. Then I'm going to go to the offer architect. Can you turn this into an offer for this niche? I don't know if this is going to work. All right. Perfect. Who this is for. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Why this works. Future proof. Why this works. The next step. Move to ICP fit check. Refine the offer. No, I'm just going to take this. I'm going to take the offer. Okay, guys. So this is how I would do it personally. I would just go on Cook now, and I would probably then deploy this offer here. Real estate as the niche. Create artifact. And I just like to put things here. Can you put this offer in the editor? Now I need a VSL script. But instead of going to the VSL script, okay, maybe I'll just go to the VSL script. I'm not going to create a new one. I'm just going to say, please create a VSL script for this offer and update the editor, please. Okay, so let's see. The AI-powered operating system for mid-tier real estate agents. Okay, empathetic, hook, and credibility, blah, 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 blah. You're a real estate agent who works hard, shows homes, negotiates offers, still spends 70% of your day wrestling with paperwork, follow-ups, and endless admin. That feeling of being stuck in a hamster wheel, you could close twice as many listings if you had the time to nurture every lead. Is a silent belief you keeping you from hitting your next level. Okay, I'm Alex Rivera, former top producing agent who once listed 150 homes a year, blah, 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 blah. So essentially this fills in like with proof and stuff. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to also build a landing page, VSL funnel for this offer. We're going to be driving traffic from ads straight to this page. I just need the VSL slot and also the booking calendar on the same page. Essentially, can connect Calendly if I wanted to on that page. I mean, you don't really have to ask anything. Actually, before I change all of this up, let me show you guys this. I don't need to do none of this asking stuff. I could just be like, build the page for this offer. Let's see. Okay, so you just built it, but it does. Can you update? I want to see the funnel. I want to see the funnel in the editor. Okay. The DILF AI powered operating system, the promise, why it works, who is this for? Okay. I don't like the way you looks personally. Can you make it so that it's simple? Headline, VSL, and proof, and the calendar underneath. I want something futuristic. Is it futuristic? Fuck it. Let's see what it does. Is it gonna cook? Below minimal style. Okay, cool. Let's see if it does it. Update the editor too. I want to see it. I'm gonna show you guys this cool thing. Okay, nice. Whoa, Calendly. What? Type shit. Wow. What the hell? This is cool. This is sick. Okay. Um, I guess just a landing page. You could add some proof if you had proof, case studies, and things like that. Actually, let's see something. Can you add a process map on the funnel that essentially that visually represents the system we plug and play in their business? Update the editor. I want to see it. Also, make the funnel colors white, gray, and all buttons green. I don't know if it's going to be able to do it. I would really be surprised if it can build a process map on the landing page, but I guess I would love for someone to be able to see visually what we actually do. So let's see. Show me the page in the editor, please. Let's see. By the way, this wasn't working yesterday. Um, I asked my team to fix it and figure it out. Oh, it tried its best. Lead capture, AI scoring, outreach, booking. Okay, whatever. Again, you can ask it to change stuff, right? Do this tell him? Okay, cool. Someone says, but what about feelings? You describe only do this and that. Tell him about how they feel with the map, the output. Yeah, I I don't know. I don't know. I'm not good at describing and talking about feelings, about my feelings. So I'm sorry. Okay, guys. So now, if you wanted to deploy this on a go high level, you can just literally copy paste this code. Okay, literally like this. So and then I mean I'll literally show you guys live. Because I guess yesterday I did show you guys, but the funnel wasn't working. Let's see. I'll go to client acquisition. Let me show you guys. Let me stop sharing my screen. Share screen, go live. Okay, cool. So I have the landing page. You just go to go high level. This is real estate. Create a funnel step. Create from blank. Yes, sir. Underneath. Oh, I got it. Underneath. Okay, I did get it right. I was confused. I was like, underneath. So let's just make building a business cool again, guys. This is on a Sunday. I might go to church after this because why not? God has really, God has really done amazing things. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so again, this could be kind of like a simple page. Maybe I want to go back to the actual cooking app, and I'm like, hey, can you make me the actual second page that they see? Okay, so I want a thank you page that will have a pre-call homework mini VSL. I would also like it to have a button to drive the prospect to my YouTube channel and a few, and let's say 6 video slots to embed a from YouTube. Let me see. I don't know the best structure for such a page, so make it as perfect as you can, knowing that the goal is for consumption, is to make knowing the goal that is to drive up content consumption. Let's see. Thank you, pre-call homework. Okay. Please show me the page in the editor. Normally it updates automatically this year. I don't know why it's tripping. I guess because we changed the under the page or the model underneath it, right? Okay, cool. Perfect. Okay, see, it's giving me the code. I love that it's already giving me the code to deploy this page. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. Whoa. Let's go back, stop sharing. I wanna go back to this, share screen. Let's go back to the little cooking, uploading. Where is my go high level thingy? Okay, cool. So this is cool. I also wanna add thank you, real estate, thank you page, blah, 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 blah. Serge, then me, I already wrote you on Instagram. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna check out what you sent me. But I'm really getting in the momentum of like building this real estate offer. So I don't know if I want to change my focus. So let's see. I might want to cook some more. Let me know. Okay, so let me see. Is the landing page gonna work? Okay, beautiful. See, guys, one of the things that you're going to struggle with is, okay, but what do you do next, right? How do you add the buttons? How do you add use like this button? Whoa, it embedded YouTube. See, it's smart now. But before, I had a struggle where I didn't know how to link these buttons. So as an example, you see, like all this code here, I'm like, I don't know where to find the link where I should embed my YouTube video. So I can ask it, hey, show me every button in the code so I can easily locate it and add the the URL driving to my actual YouTube page. Guys, are you liking this cooking session? Like, do you guys like it? Let me know. So what it's going to do, it is going to show me where I can find the actual code, right? So I guess I could just, copy paste this, visit my YouTube page. You need to use it, visit my YouTube channel. Okay, let me see. Show it to me. Show it to me, girl. Show it to me, girl. How to change the URL. Okay. Okay, how about this? Can I just give you my YouTube link and you update it? Sure. Just send me the URL. Okay, cool. Perfect. Guys, I need to start a YouTube cooking channel. Let's see. There I am. Cooking. So I'm just going to add this here. I'm going to go and do, hey, please make sure you watch this video. 2 hours of me about everything I had to learn. I was reading about 10x is easier, 2x. I was reading about psychology of human misjudgments. I failed calculus. Okay, this is a good YouTube video. Here it is. I wish I can play some music. Oh yeah, cooking. You're building the phone and offer, but what about bots? I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys shortly. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, son. I mean, you could try to focus on the bots, but if I want a bot, I do this. Fiverr. Is it the Fiverr.com? Okay, perfect. Real estate AI voice agent. Okay, perfect. Who do I choose? I can choose $44 or I can pay $30. Okay. Hey, please come install VAPI retail AI. Okay, perfect. I can just message Emmy for $30. He gonna take care of. Oh, I'm cooking off screen. Oh no, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you for the comment. See, I was so caught up. I'm not even paying attention to the live anymore. So someone commented. Someone said, "You're building the funnel and offer, but what about the bots?" Man, ain't nobody wants to go and deal with some bots. I'm not a bot. I'm gonna go Fiverr and just hire my guy from Nigeria. He speak English, German, Spanish, Dutch. God damn. He might be AI. I don't even know. So I'm gonna let him cook that while I cook what I want to cook. Okay. So I don't feel like cooking. So then I'm gonna deploy. So I gave it my YouTube link, guys. I gave it the actual YouTube channel. So I just copy pasted the code again. And then I'm gonna just deploy it and see if the button is gonna have what? The redirect to my YouTube channel right away. Okay, so let me see. Open code editor. Let's just replace everything. But does it answer your question, Ash? I mean, okay, now I just showed you Fiverr, but we actually have all the voice tools built up in our snapshot on GHL. So that's why our team already built those. So I don't have to go hire someone. We already have them. Oh, when did you become a millionaire? Why are they running ads on my video? Man, I hate YouTube ads. I don't see them often. Okay, guys. So essentially now I can just change the links. So I don't even need to go click anything, do anything. I can just go update everything within the code itself. All you have to do, just give it the links. Okay. Perfect. So let's now go back to cooking. So now that I've deployed the main page and main thank you page, now I want to go back. And now I'm like, okay, cool. So once you have a funnel, once you have this, what should you work on? I'm feeling like creating ads. Create 5 ads for this offer. Ads architect. Let's see. All right. Perfect. So I'm going to need. So I'm going to turn these into static images. Can you essentially also provide the best visual representation for that aligns with each ad? So I have a great image ad. Okay, let's see. I don't know if this is going to work, but I would love to create some ads for this offer. This ad and add it in the editor for me to see. Let's see. Is it gonna cook? Is it gonna be good? But guess what, guys? I showed y'all that we built a content feature, right? So why do I not go to try cook and then visit content and build it from the image aspect of things? Ooh, I love that it saved yesterday's cooking. So guys, I'm gonna actually build it here. I'm like, you know what? I don't feel like cooking on the old cooking station. You see, it failed me. Why would you fail me, bro? Why would you fail me? So guys, we got plan B. We gonna take plan B. Oh, yes. Please generate the image. Oh my god. I love this. Okay, while it's just cooking, what I want to do next is I just want another image. I just want to go again, go again, go again, go again, go again. Give me the other image, background. Hey, just cook for me. Oh, oh. Where's the other image, guys? Okay, here you go. Hey, just create the ads for me, please, please. So I'm just gonna copy paste all these ads, and I'm just gonna oh, you see, it worked finally. But you see, like it's I don't know, I don't like it. I like this better. Generate image, turn image into ad. No. Oh, oh. What is I saw? What's the latest movie I saw with this weird looking bot? I was looking at Foundation. Anybody looks at Foundation, this TV show on Apple. This little bot here looks like the Lady Demerzel. This is Lady Demerzel. Holy shit, she died. By the way, it was so bad. It broke my heart the way she died. She died in a weird way too. Anyway, guys, let's keep building a business. Oh my god, this is I've never seen. I'm even having guys. I'm doing this for the first time. I've never gone deep like this. So let's just keep going deep. Okay, guys, let's see if we can turn this into a video. I wonder what the hell it's gonna do. So it's gonna turn this into like a 10-second B-roll. By the way, guys, you can just visit these images. I think here. So I think you could just download it. Save image as blah 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 blah. Double your listings in 90 days. 30%. Okay, cool. Let me see. What is the last ad that we have? The lead farm, dark navy with faded. Okay, let's see. Save changes. Yeah, save changes. I guess. Image. Guys, what are you guys like? Are you brother Day or Don? I'm not brother Day. I'm not, but I'm him. I might be him. Oh, this looks sick. I like it. I love it. Um, I love that you guys have also been checking out the TV show. It's nice. Generate image. Okay, save changes. But let's go back to here. I really like this one. Do you guys not? I love it. I love it. Do you guys not like it? I kind of like it. Qualified appointments. Wait. Okay, so there's a weird issue. Flywheel nurture deal flow OS. Okay. Okay. Anyway, guys. So you have your ads. I guess we could create something more viral if you wanted to. Okay. So this is. Let's see what it does here. Oh, she's talking to me. Wow. Nice. Okay, I like it. I could then, guys, essentially you could also like lip sync. So I could create an audio like here. Okay, so I can just do like audio. I'm like, fuck, how am I gonna do it? Okay, I don't know the prompts, so I'm just gonna go to text. I'm gonna ask it to give me the prompt for creating, which one was it? AI agent versus VAs. Okay, I think it was this one. So this is the ad. I want to create a 10-second script of script and lip lip sync it with the realtor in the top left corner. Can you give me a prompt that essentially aligns with what she would be saying? I don't know. I don't know. Or I guess it could also or prompt with that aligns with the ad itself. So essentially, you get AI to generate the text prompt because I can't think right now. Feeling overwhelmed listings. Okay, nice. Say less. Okay. So now I can go back to the voice. AI, it needs to be a lady's voice. A lady's voice, please. Okay, let me go to question. Anybody got questions? Brendan used AI to gain your leads. So I'm a sales guy for a virtual assistant company. How could this help me? I mean, I don't know. To be honest, you could just do anything really that you want to do. Golden gems being dropped right now. Okay. Now I don't know if you created the audio. I guess you guys can't hear it. So I'm just gonna see if this is the right one. I'm just gonna listen to it. No, it's not the right one. Okay, I guess it gave me a dude's voice. So I'm just gonna lip sync it with the dude's voice. The dude's. Can I change the name? AI dude, real estate. So I'm just gonna go back to here. I'm gonna lip sync it with the AI dude. Save. Okay, let's see. If it works, it's gonna be so good. Oh no. Lip sync with audio. Is it not working yet? Oh, guys, the team has overpromised me. It's not working. Okay, anyway, so now that you have ads, you could also just use them to write your own script and just shoot them on your selfie, just to do a little selfie video. All right, guys. So what's next, guys? What do you guys want to do? What do you guys want to do? Okay, you know what? I want to build a process map for the offer. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it better. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. So this is the deal flow OS. I'm gonna go to the AI system architect. Help me design the system. Help me design the system that we would be selling in this offer. So now I essentially just want to know the process of essentially how to build it. So how it works: website widget, Facebook lead. Okay. Nurture, blah 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 blah. 11 labs, blah blah. Tool stack. These are. Let's say if you wanted to build it yourself, I guess you could just talk to this agent, and it will kind of give you the process on how to build it. It also shows you how to package it. 5K setup fee, 2K a month recurring, all 4 stages. You can have upsells, downsells, implementation roadmap. So a lot of you guys are like, oh, but how do I fulfill? How do I fulfill? Oh, I don't want to go hire Emmy. I don't want to go hire Emmy. I want to build it myself. Okay, cool. Well, then here you go. 12-week roadmap, kickoff and data collection, right? It tells you which people you should hire: AI prompt engineer, AI automation, growth analyst, project lead, account support specialist. But you know what, guys? You don't need none of this stuff. You just need AI. So if you're a solo founder, use Upwork. Okay, keep a master checklist, SOP quick start, watch outs and mitigation, API rate limit, throttling, data privacy, agent resistance, quick pitch ready, one summary. You know what? Can you put it into an artifact that I can send to a process map agent that will essentially show me this step by step visually? By the way, guys, the reason why I wanted to start cooking like this is because I realized that it's really hard for me to do content around what this app can do end to end. So as I'm doing this, I'm giving also our clients insights as to how to use this platform. Okay. So I'm almost like, because there is no way that even I know what this app can do. I don't know. Right. So as I do these cooking sessions, it allows me to essentially be able to clip some of this content, and then clients are literally going to be watching how I'm cooking and then cooking on their own, right? By the way, if you want access to this platform, I'm doing a masterclass going over everything that we do, the mission we're going after with this platform, and what companies we're looking to build. We're only building AI growth firms with this platform. We're not broad. We're not talking to everyone. We're looking to enable companies to scale with AI systems. And then we're using this platform to essentially build entire companies for us. And then we kind of use this to not just cook for us, but also go cook and deploy systems within companies, right? If you guys want access to this platform, I know I'm going to be getting a bunch of DMs. You can only access it once you understand the entire game. Okay, so if you guys want access to the platform, get a seat, and then I'm going to be going over end to end everything we do, and then from there you can you're gonna get an offer on how you can use this platform. Okay, create. Can you put this into a process map visually? Let's see. Update the editor with it. I want to see it. Wow, this slide is killing me. Okay, cool. So I guess it's kind of like what it would look like. And then you could, okay, now can we go deeper on stage one? I want to know how to integrate it, but I want to see it visually. Update the editor with what you create. Why would this be valuable? Let's say you're on a sales call and you essentially just want to show a prospect, or you maybe want to do content around your offer. I really like to build these process maps, these Lucy charts. Like, guys, the amount of Lucy charts I have are just bananas, right? And it used to take me so much time to build a lot of this stuff. Oh, by the way, on the webinar, I'm going to be talking about our path roadmap to 100 million. Okay. Modeling companies like Constellation Software, or a bunch of these firms with a bunch of assets under management, et cetera, et cetera. Anyway, so instead of you having to like build the traditional way, for those who are asking, oh, what about the bots? What about the bots? Guys, we got the bots, right? They're all built up. We just, like, instead of having to go build all this stuff here, you can just start leveraging something like this, right? Actually, before I do this, can you add metrics on each mechanism and show how it improves? I don't know if it's gonna do it. I'd be curious to see what it does. Oh yeah. Claude generates personalized script, reply rate. Okay. I guess you can prompt it better. Update it with what you create. Okay, so I just want to focus on this stage one. Stage one, which is capture and qualify leads. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. What does this look like? I want to build it on GHL. So update. So add that context. Okay, go high level. Metrics. Okay. I like it. Perfect. What else would I need? Any questions, guys? Next thing you probably want is probably like a sales script for this offer. So where is the offer? Oh man, I don't want to go back. Okay, so one thing that the team did is, if I want to pin something, you can just start it and it's going to stay at the top. So I'm just going to do something real quick. So let's say you're like, hey, I don't know how to sell. I want to sell something. So then you'd be like, create me a sales script using Hormozy's closer framework for this offer. Add it in the editor. Okay, let's see if it does it. Hey, Serge, from Deal, I've helped agents, Mike, blah, 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 blah. Problem amplification. Is this necessarily the closer framework? Setter guidance, value stack. I don't think it's that deep. Use the exact framework, closer. I think it's like clarity or clarification or things like that. I don't think it's that deep. That's funny. Connection, pain, amplification. Is this even it? That's not it, guys. Is AI tripping? Never mind. Can you use Sam Ovens consulting approach to build the sales script for this offer? Okay. I don't know why it's tripping. It's almost like building a VSL, which I don't know why it's doing that. But I built this way. MedSpa. This was for a MedSpa offer we're working on, and this is what it should say, right? Hey, Serge, I saw you're on blah 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 blah. You're getting to get more. Okay, so the appointment setting. Walk me through your current lead flow. Where are your consultations coming from? How much are you spending monthly on ads across Google? What's your team doing to follow up with your leads? Can you update the sales script based on this offer? Okay. Hey, I saw your real estate agent. Walk me through your lead flow, buyer, seller leads. Okay, now this is much better, right? So you could use this, and then eventually you could just also ask it, hey, um, I now want to build. Um, I also want to build the appointment setting script. So you could then go ahead and build the appointment setting script, the ads, all that good stuff. I want to show you guys how this one works. Let's say you're spending money on ads, okay? Like I was spending some ads the other day. I think right now it's not really spending as much. I don't know why. Uh, I think, what is it? Meta CPMs went crazy. I think it's Iman who's spending all the money on ads. So they throttled my media buying, my spend. But I want to show you guys. Let's say I spent. Let me show you guys something real quick. So data spend, client acquisition dashboard. Let's say I'm like I want to go see some data. All participants, unique webinar. Let me try some tracker. Okay, cool, perfect. So I want to go see. I'm gonna give you guys some real some insights right now. Okay, guys. Boom, boom. So I'm gonna copy this. So September 6th. I'm gonna use. Let me see. August 26th data. I'm gonna copy paste this. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Okay, ads. It seems like I'm not spending. Okay, let me just show you guys real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna just show you guys my ad account because this is just broken. I have so many tabs open I can't even find. So let's say I'm advertising, right? And I'm really not that the best media buyer, but I can, I get around. And I'm like, yo, when I was spending, by the way, guys, like I've not really spent a lot of money in lifetime. I've only spent 700 grand on ads since I started this business. But now we're starting to get a little bit more careless with the spend. Okay, so I'm like, when I was spending here, I believe I can download this. Can someone give me the steps to downloading this here? I essentially want to download this sheet with this data. Export. Oh yeah. Okay, perfect. Export is CSV. Does Cook allow me to export CSV? Let's say I want to review the data from ads. Can I export, upload a file? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yes. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. Am I showing you guys some stuff that you guys shouldn't be seeing? Oh my days. Jesus. My God. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Guys, I can't find where I'm looking for. Where did it disappear? Okay, I'm just gonna shut everything down. Meta Suite. Nope. Ads Manager. Let's just redo it again, okay, guys? Let's go to the well, it's here. I'm just gonna click on this one specifically. I want to export. Oh, okay, I gotta do this specifically. Let's say the last 30 days. I spent 50K on this bad boy. I guess if I do this, it's gonna export. Exporting. Okay. Now we go back to cooking, and then I just want to attach this file. I'm like, girl. Oh, I think it might not read it though. Can you read? Can you read the file I just uploaded? I think it won't read it. I don't know if it will read it. If it reads it, it's gonna be us. Whoa. Okay, below is the breakdown of every ad set you uploaded with a key cost metric calculated. Okay, perfect. Then, okay, so I want to spend $500,000 in the next 30 days. Help me know what to double down on and design essentially a 10x strategy for me to run my own media buying. Teach me and help me execute as if I'm a kid in high school. So, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna start using this data. If I could have just pasted the data here. By the way, if I had it on a G sheet, but I don't, so I just downloaded it. So spend, that's 16 grand a day. Primary KPI, cost per lead, cost per booked call. So these campaigns had the The ad sets had the cheapest cost. Also, this is not cost per lead. This is cost per purchase. I don't know why it's saying FYI. They're not cost per lead. They're cost per purchases. There we go. What the number tells us: 2 golden ad sets. Okay, perfect. Has the only appointment data. Okay. Week 1, set up pixel. Okay. Video hook. Okay. Campaign structure. Yes. Oh, I like that little image. I like it. Guys, I've been trying to. I'm running my ads myself right now, and it's been a mess trying to structure the campaigns in the ads manager. So essentially, now give me 1 paragraph summary of what I need to do. I don't need all this text. My brain is currently not working the best. Focus on the 2 cheapest costs. Okay, cool. What did I not ask that would be crucial to be aware of in scaling? Let me see if this AI has a brain. Okay. Attribution window and conversion lag. Purchases or appointments often close 1-3 days after the click. If you look at daily cost per lead, cost per purchase too early, you'll underestimate true performance and may overscale a campaign that will later prove expensive. Okay. Frequency and ad fatigue. Drives diminishing returns. Okay, I like that. Creative refresh rate. Even the best performing ad will see cost per lead creep once the creatives get stale. Okay. Landing page and capacity load. Okay. Pixel conversion accuracy. Yeah, I need to fix this, by the way. Budget pacing and daily caps. If you allocate too much to one ad set, you may run out of budget before the other channels have a chance to prove themselves. Incremental lift versus cannibalization. Adding budget to a winning ad set can simply steal leads from another already running set. This is super important to be aware of, to learn. Audience saturation and size. Lookalike audience have finite size. Once you exhaust the 1%, lookalike cost per lead will rise sharply. Okay, beautiful. Ad account and health policy. Fraud. Okay. Ooh, yeah, this is important. Data driven. Okay, perfect. So guys, you can essentially just start, doing anything you want in life. Just, you have everything. You can also build nurturing assets, guys. But I'm not going to go through that. Otherwise, we would end up spending the entire day here. So we're ready to wrap this up. But guys, thank you so much. Appreciate y'all. Speak soon. Take care. Bye-bye.